Cleaning and maintaining your baby's humidifier.
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing how to clean and maintain your baby's humidifier. It's important to keep these devices clean as they can harbor bacteria or mold, which you definitely don't want to be releasing into your baby's room. We'll be going through these steps thoroughly so you can ensure a safe environment for your little one.
What will you need?
Before we start, let's gather everything you'll need to clean the humidifier. You'll need distilled white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide or bleach, a soft brush or cloth, clean water. Please remember to use gloves while handling bleach or hydrogen peroxide for your safety.
How to disassemble your humidifier.
First off, you'll want to disassemble your humidifier. This usually involves removing the tank from the base and removing any other removable parts, such as filters or mist nozzles. Always refer to your humidifier's manual for specific instructions as different models may vary.
How to clean the humidifier tank.
To clean the humidifier tank, 1. Fill about half of the tank with vinegar. 2. Swirl it around to make sure it touches all surfaces. 3. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour. The vinegar will help to dissolve any mineral deposits. Then, rinse the tank thoroughly with water to make sure there's no vinegar left. If you see any remaining deposits, you may need to scrub them with a soft brush or cloth.
How to clean the humidifier base and other parts.
To clean the base and other parts of the humidifier, 1. Make a solution of 1 part hydrogen peroxide or bleach to 4 parts water. 2. Soak the parts in this solution for about 30 minutes. 3. Use a brush or cloth to scrub off any remaining residue. Then, rinse thoroughly with water to ensure all the solution is washed off.
How to dry and reassemble your humidifier.
After cleaning, dry all the parts thoroughly. This is important to prevent any new bacteria or mold from growing. Once everything is dry, you can reassemble your humidifier.
How often should you clean your humidifier?
As a rule of thumb, it's best to clean your humidifier once a week. If your baby has allergies or other respiratory conditions, you may want to clean it more frequently. That's all there is to it. By keeping your baby's humidifier clean, you can ensure that it's helping rather than harming their health. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, take care and happy cleaning.